Hi everyone, for today's video we're going to start building the ladder that comes with the 52-inch high above ground pole. And these are all the parts that comes with it. You'll have 8 steps. There's going to be 4 on each side. You have the top part of the ladder. You'll have the 2 sides right there, and then you'll have the screws. If you look over here, you'll have M647, M640, and M644, okay? And then right there, the one that's curved, those are your 9A and 9B. The straight ones are your 8A and B. And then you'll have the support handle right there. And it also comes with this plastic locks for the ladder steps. So I want you to take a close look at this. The black ones have a B, the white ones are A, and the same thing here, you have a black and a white. And if you look at your ladder step, you also have an A and a B. So you want to make sure that you are installing them on the right poles. So let's go ahead and start building the ladder. Again, the white one is the A and your black one is B. And what you want to do is put one of this first, and you'll see here there's like a little snap right here. You can make it a little bigger so that it will push in. And once you get here, you want to snap it properly, okay? And then you want to get your step, make sure A to A. And you see this latch here goes inside, okay? So we'll go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna push it in yet, so I can always take it out when I made a mistake, okay? And again, I'm gonna do another one for the B. And you want to make sure this is facing in, okay? I'll do it again here. And I just want to show you the orientation of this, okay? So this thing is on the bottom, okay? So basically you're gonna push the steps right here and it's gonna snap over here, okay? So that's how it looks like right now. And basically let's just build this A and B. So once you push it all the way, you won't be able to take it out anymore, okay? So you want to make sure that you install it properly. So for this one, I already know I got it right. So I'm just gonna go push it in so that it will snap. This one too. So these two are no going back anymore, okay? And after you do that, now you want to extend it with this. Make sure you have A and B as well. And for this, we're going to use the M544 screw. Okay, so right here, have a little hole that goes there, and this one right here too. Okay, so I'm just gonna go make sure I align them, close them. Okay, same thing on this other side. So now I'll get the black one, black to black, and then you just want to start building the ladder up. Okay, so let's build the other side. Again, A and B. White one is A, and black one is B. Okay, so I install all the footing, and now I'm gonna be installing the top. So if you notice here on the top, you'll have two holes right here. One of them is M47, the one in the bottom, and the top is the M40. So this thing actually goes all the way to the second hole, okay? Right here. And for this one, you'll use the M47. So I'll just put it right here and put this thing in the front. Same thing here. Okay, so once you put in the big step right here, the next will be the handle. And I just put this handle here. Basically just push it in. Same thing with this. You can push it a little to fit. And then use the M640 on this side. Okay. Okay, the hole on this side right here is not properly aligned, so it was giving me a hard time putting it in. So what I did is I just reverse it. So I put this thing on this side, and I was able to basically twist it and screw it so that it'll come out on the other side. Okay? Almost forgot this part. You'll have this to side support so that you don't accidentally slip here. It's just a warning sign. No diving. And this is just a snap-on right here. Okay, so that's how you build the ladder for the above ground pool, 52-inch tall. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful to you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.